That's him. I wanted to show him to you before I cleaned him up. You can see he had a little bit of an issue there and had a height problem because of where I have my spool mounted to the side. But he looks good everywhere else. You saw me pop off the supports while he was printing. I appreciate all the time the artist put into it. I'll show you what he looks like when I get him cleaned up. So that's after the cleanup. See, he got a shave. Come on, focus. But he looks pretty good. Thanks again to the artist. Oh, and the top, that was a height issue on my printer. I forgot that I had mounted my spool, and that is what got in the way, if I didn't mention it before.